Hey everybody, this is Mr. Stolworthy. I just wanted to get you a video screencast of how you can submit your video assignments for band. This is what the screen looks like once you log into Canvas, except it won't say access denied. It'll show your account and everything. If you go to your dashboard or your courses, you'll be able to pull up all your classes. We'll look at concert band as an example. And then that pulls up all the assignments. The best way for all of your classes in Canvas to know what to do each day is to click on modules. And teachers have set up their classes in daily modules. So today you'll see concert band needed to take care of these three tasks. So let's say I'm going to work on the chromatic long tones and submit that. I'll click on it. This is what the window looks like. It gives you the instructions. Record yourself playing along with the chromatic long tones video found on Mr. Stolworthy's band play along playlist on YouTube, found here. You can click on that link and it will pull up the playlist. So you have several options on there, breathing gym exercises and these two long tones. I'm asking that you do the chromatic long tones video, not the cinematic long tones. The chromatic one shows you notes to play. The cinematic one does not, so that's why I'm having you submit the chromatic long tones. Once you have pulled that video up, you'll want to play along with it. The way you're going to submit this is click Submit Assignment, and then this window comes up. On tablets, if you hit Choose File, it'll give you the option. It'll go straight to your camera, and you can just record right there in Canvas. Otherwise, if you don't do it that way, you'll see it'll pull up files on your computer. If you've already recorded something, you can then select the file and hit Open, and then it will upload. Take note that it is a .mp4 or a .mov. There's really not any other files that I'll be able to work with. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and hit Submit Assignment. It'll say Submitting. And once it is uploaded, that should say Submitted. So thank you to everyone who has already taken care of this and gotten that figured out. I apologize I didn't take the time to show you about this before this school dismissal. Some classes know how to do it, some don't. Hopefully this video clears that up. But yeah, once you've submitted it, you'll notice it'll say submitted, and it'll say when it was submitted. The details will show the file you submitted, and you can also resubmit. So if you submit a file that you feel like, oh no, that wasn't very good, you can try it again, okay? And then you're just going to be doing that each day. So if you finish that, go back to your modules, take a look at the date. You see you have an assignment to listen to Sousa March Mania each day. Each of the band classes will have that, and that'll be just a text. So if you click on that, it gives you the instructions, all the websites that you need to find to access which marches to listen to each day. The main site will show you this window right here, and it'll pull up the current matchups. So you just need to look at the date and find the current matchup. And you listen to each march, and you can vote. Once you've listened to each march, just come back in here, click on Submit Assignment. And the way you submit your assignment is you're just going to type text here. You can say, I listened to Hands Across the Sea, and that is the march I liked best. Hit submit. And you're good to go. Again, if it worked, you'll see this check mark here and it'll say submitted. Okay. Hopefully this is helpful. Please email me if you're having any issues. I am going through each day and putting these assignments in the grade book. That's how we're being told to take attendance and take note of how many kids are actively being involved in school each day while they are at home. So make sure you're getting on and getting assignments taken care of because they are going in the grade book daily. Hope everything's going all right for everybody. We're excited for when we get to go back to school, whenever that may be. But keep up the great work. Get the instrument out each day and be working on things that I have for you.